Welcome to AI for Everyone, where we simplify artificial intelligence to make it accessible for all. Whether you're an enthusiast, a professional, or just curious about AI, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming our world. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube, AI is becoming a fundamental part of our daily lives. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down AI into digestible segments, making it easier for everyone to understand. Definition and history of AI. Definition. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think and act like humans. This can include learning from experience, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Historical background. The concept of AI dates back to ancient times, but modern AI began in the 1950s with the advent of computers. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was coined at the Dartmouth Conference, marking the birth of AI as a field of study. Early AI research focused on problem-solving and symbolic methods, laying the foundation for more advanced techniques. How AI works. AI systems work by ingesting large amounts of data, analyzing it for patterns, and making predictions or decisions based on that analysis. The core components of AI include learning, acquiring data and creating rules, algorithms, for how to turn data into actionable information. Reasoning, choosing the right algorithm to achieve the desired outcome. Self-correction, continuously fine-tuning algorithms to improve accuracy. Creativity, using neural networks and other AI techniques to generate new ideas, text, images, and music. Types of AI. Weak AI, narrow AI. Designed to perform specific tasks, such as virtual assistants and industrial robots. Strong AI, general AI. A theoretical form of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, similar to a human being. 4 types of AI. 1. Reactive machines, task-specific and do not store memories or past experiences. 2. Limited memory. Can use past experiences to inform future decisions like self-driving cars. 3. Theory of mind. Understand emotions and social interactions, which is still largely in the research phase. 4. Self-aware AI. Possess self-awareness and consciousness, which remains hypothetical. Machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning, a subset of AI that enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It uses algorithms to detect patterns and make decisions. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence deep, to analyze complex patterns in data. This approach has driven recent advances in AI, such as image and speech recognition. Applications of AI. Healthcare. AI is used for diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and managing patient data. For example, IBM Watson can analyze medical data to assist in diagnosing diseases. Business. AI enhances customer relationship management, CRM systems, automates customer service through chatbots, and improves decision-making with predictive analytics. Education. AI can personalize learning experiences, automate grading, and provide additional support through AI tutors. Finance. AI applications in finance include fraud detection, risk management, and automating trading strategies. Law. AI helps automate the discovery process in legal proceedings, saving time and improving efficiency. Entertainment. AI powers recommendation systems, creates content, and even assists in scriptwriting and movie production. Transportation. AI is crucial in developing autonomous vehicles and optimizing logistics and traffic management. Advantages and disadvantages of AI. Advantages: efficiency. AI can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately. Consistency. AI provides consistent results without fatigue. Personalization. AI can tailor services and content to individual preferences. Availability. AI systems can operate 24/7 without breaks. Disadvantages. Cost. AI systems can be expensive to develop and maintain. Bias. AI can perpetuate and even amplify biases present in training data. Job displacement. Automation may lead to job losses in certain sectors. Complexity. Developing and understanding AI systems requires specialized knowledge. Governance. Regulations and guidelines are essential to ensure the ethical use of AI. Efforts like the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the White House's Blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights aim to address these challenges. The future of AI. AI is poised to revolutionize numerous fields, from healthcare to transportation. Future advancements may lead to more intuitive AI systems, better handling of ethical concerns, and new applications we have yet to imagine. However, it is crucial to navigate these advancements responsibly, ensuring they benefit society as a whole. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to transform our lives in countless ways. By understanding its basics, applications, and implications, we can better harness its power and mitigate its risks. Stay tuned to AI for Everyone for more insights and explanations on how AI is shaping our world.